To move sub-projects to sections, start by accessing the website. Type the URL into your web browser's search bar and click on the corresponding link. Next, log in by clicking the Login button and entering your email and password information. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which includes options such as adding tasks, projects, and templates, as well as browsing templates. Your sub-project will be listed, and you can identify it as a smaller section within the main project. To move it to another section, click the three dots next to it, which will display various options, including editing, adding to favorites, and archiving. Click Edit to make changes, or simply drag and drop the sub-project to the desired section, for instance. Under Goals, this will change the order of the sub-projects, and you can verify the new arrangement underneath.